Change your conception of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live, said Neville, with wisdom to give. In a world woven of tapestry, where the threads are thoughts and feelings, there's a story to unfold with every soul dealing. The role of the book is within us, Neville declared, the story of our lives with every fiber we've shared. In the heart of the scripture, the truth is unveiled. It's not about a man from the past, but a journey we've all hailed. We're all the protagonist, the hero, the divine, journeying through life with a story that intertwines. We're all living the same drama on different stages we strut. Life's but a dream in a cycle uncut. The role of the book is within thee, so Neville did say, the story of our lives played out day by day. The tale begins with a promise, a divine covenant made, a journey of awakening where no soul will fade. A promise to awaken, to remember our divine source, to rise from the dream and set a new course. Then comes the law, the principle of creation, the power of belief, the foundation of our station. What we believe, we conceive, and in doing so we weave the reality we experience, the world we perceive. The story ends with the promise fulfilled, the awakening of the divine, the destiny instilled, the realization of our true nature as creators, not pawns, the dawn of a new day, the breaking of the dawn. Now listen closely, heed these words of wisdom, let them guide your journey, let them become your kingdom. The role of the book is within you, so let it unroll, let your story unfold, let it take control. Remember, you're the author, the creator of your fate, your beliefs are the canvas, your thoughts the palette you slate. So paint a masterpiece, let your life be art, let your story inspire, let it play its part. So, dear viewers, heed this call to action. Let the teachings of Neville be your satisfaction. Apply them in your life. Let them guide your way. Let them be your beacon, your light, your day. The role of the book is within you, so let it unroll, let your story unfold, let it take control. Change your conception of yourself and you'll change your world. An oyster with a pearl, a story yet unfurled.
Wow, that was great. Smash that like button. Click on subscribe to get more of this awesome content. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share it and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.